I know you can't see your face.
Hi guys.
But
So
we're going to be fixing very bad slimes. And look at this one. This one's horrible.
that's a really bad slime.
Okay, so we have
And you guys
some-
will actually know the bad slimes from our last slime suggestion.
This is Shave Gel Water, shaving cream, Tide, Borax. And we're just going to put this to the side so you guys can see.
Yeah.
And this one is called Strawberry Milkshake. I'm going to sit down.
And so we are each gonna be fixing different slimes.
Yeah.
So first I'm actually gonna be fixing this really sticky slime.
So when you squish it, it rips. So I'm just going to try to fix that to start off.
I'm just gonna, wait, why don't you take it out of the container? So I'm just gonna take a bit of activator, pour it in here. You don't wanna add too much activator,
Everyone knows that.
because otherwise it will get activated. Everyone knows.
I'm just going to start off with a little piece first, and then I'm going to dip it in the Shave Gel Water.
I might have overactivated it.
So the Shave Gel Water isn't helping. So I'm just gonna
Oh yeah,
try
so something
another-
else that also helps with slimes, gosh, don't mix that, is also hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, I want to try using that.
Or you can also use lotion, but right now we don't have any lotion handy.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's already pretty good, but I think I may need to add a bit of hand sanitizer because I might have overactivated it a little.
So Amrita's brother is gone. If you saw him in the last video.
Yeah.
But okay.
It's just
this
a
is
step.
getting really stringy now, so I'm just gonna knead it.
Yeah.
Wait, on this video I wanted to edit it. Add some music.
Okay.
It's getting really stringy. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just added some of Amrita's concoction into here, and it's really creamy because of the shaving cream, and she also added some hand sanitizer in there.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna knead it.
But not all of my shaving cream is gone. I don't have any more shaving cream.
Okay.
But I do still have a lot of the concoction left. Because I used a ton of shaving cream. But if it doesn't work, then you guys can also use lotion. But we, like I said earlier, don't have any lotion handy.
Oh gosh.
Nope. Camera is slipping. Sorry, my tablet is having a lot of technical difficulties.
Just gonna add some sanitizer.
Okay, so I think that this slime is fixed now. Oh gosh. So now I'm gonna fix another slime. Going to fix.
I feel like I'm just gonna fix this. What if it doesn't fix?
I'm gonna fix grass. It's a really, really bad slime. But you actually can't really fix this slime.
Yeah. It still rips when you squish it, so I'm just gonna try to fix that.
I was still wearing a blindfold from my last video.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down.
Okay.
Oh, I got some concoction on.
Oh, that's lotion. Okay, so can I have a little bit of?
There's some in here.
I'll just use. But the thing with shave gel water is that you actually need to let it sit for a little bit in the shave gel water for like a minute or so.
Okay. It's still ripping when I squish it.
So right now we are actually gonna add a bit of.
Wait, I want to
music
add a
and
really
then-
soft slime.
Why?
Because it might fix it. Can I try adding some of the purple snow into it?
Sure. Okay, so right now we are actually going to put on some music.
No, we can't. We can't until the video's done.
I know.
Why can't? We can't.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh my God, Emma.
What?
That's what I meant. Like we were gonna add music into this.
Oh, after though.
Okay,
You said right
so
now.
we actually are pretty new to this stuff. So
Stuff.
making
Oh yeah,
YouTube
making
videos.
YouTube.
Gosh, Emma.
I have a channel too, but I just haven't posted anything on it yet. I'm going to change the name and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually also gonna change the name of this channel.
So my channel is gonna be called Emma Chung.
Mine is gonna be called, well, my name, Amrita Rajan. We're actually kind of.
And I'm going to be doing vlogs, slime videos, squishy videos, and like just random videos, okay? Wait, this is gonna be
For now, I've actually just been
making
doing slime videos, but my next video is actually going to be a back to school haul video.
Oh, I have a back to school haul video ready for my channel, but I just haven't posted it yet because I'm lazy.
And that song is actually from Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia.
If
Here I
some
go
of you guys have not heard of that movie.
Okay, it's getting better. I'm just gonna add a little more. Remember this mess?
Oh yeah.
Can you use this much?
No. That much. It's fine. I won't let you use that much. Oh wow, this is actually way better.
This is getting better.
This is way better. So I have now fixed this.
Okay, so I added so much concoction to this.
As you can see,
Got this whole.
why would you add so much?
It's gonna need it now. Ooh, it's getting so much better.
I'm just gonna put this extra shave gel water back in there.
I feel like this expanded a lot.
It did.
It made a bubble.
Whoa. I actually don't know what happened to this slime.
This one?
Yeah. It was so good before, but then it just got so bad. Is it really good?
Yeah. It's getting so much better. Oh my god. Hold on, let me knead it a bit more.
You may need to add a little bit more concoction.
Yeah. Because it's kind of rippy when you stretch it out.
This slime is really good. And if you guys want to see, we may also do a slime pet peeves video.
Yeah.
Maybe a squishy pet peeves video too. And I may also be making another channel for vlogs and stuff.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna pause the camera for getting the concoction because concoction is all the way back there. Add a bit more concoction. Now it just gotta be
You see?
kneaded.
Tiny bit more. It's so good now. If you guys saw at the beginning what it was like,
It was so tough.
How do I
It
keep
just
playing with
stayed.
this?
It just stayed in like this shape because this is its container. It's good.
Okay, so right now I am actually gonna be fixing a shampoo
I saw
slime that I made
more
at her house.
Yeah. Why did you slap me?
I just put a ton of concoction on my shoulder. Emma.
Rita, it's not a big
Okay, so right now, gosh,
Ow! My ankle. You
Well,
pressed down my knee and it hit my
this slime
ankle.
is actually, it looks good, but it's actually really bad. The texture
Yeah, it's
is
like squishy, and slime is supposed to be stretchy. This is so good now. Ah! Okay, let me guys show you a close up. Wait, what did I just say? Let me guys show you a close up.
yes. She meant to. Okay, and I added a ton of activator to this.
Oh, and you just sprayed some on me.
Activator, it actually melts down the slime.
Yeah, because it's made out of shampoo.
It's made out of detergent.
Ew! Did you eat some?
Almost. Isn't borax like toxic or something?
Yeah, but you don't die if you eat it, at least I don't think.
Wait, the borax isn't helping at all.
Wait, just clean this up.
So then why'd I add so much borax?
Amanda, you're gonna add some here.
Okay, well, I completely just messed up this slime. Do not add borax unless if it is very sticky. Hand me some shave gel water. Where's the container? The container.
What container?
It's container. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna add some shave gel water into its container.
Wait, it's actually not that bad now. She just spilled a bunch on herself.
How? Why? Okay, yeah, so that's good. Now I need a ton of paper towels.
Also clean up the borax. Okay, this is super good. Now I'm gonna try to make a swirl with it.
No, just go. Where's the garbage?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Is it too droopy? Okay,
So
so right now
heavy.
I'm just gonna let this sit in the container for a while because it is really bad. And so are my feet.
Okay, I'm just gonna put this back.
And then I'm also gonna clean up this borax that I spilled.
Yeah. And Rita, this is so good. Look how much it expanded.
I think we may need another container.
It fits perfectly. Hold on.
Does?
Just fix this. Yeah. Fits perfectly. It's really heavy though. Ow. It's heavier than my vacuum. My vacuum's really light. Or should I? What's this? Oh yes. Oops.
No. Oh.
Wait, and Rita, what other slimes do I need to fix? Oh.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna do the same thing with the concoction too. With this one. Or is this made out of shampoo?
This is made out of slime.
Okay.
Made out of slime.
I'm just gonna go get the concoction.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna fix this slime because, well, I felt like it.
And she stole it.
I didn't steal it. It's my slime.
Wait, that really nice guy is good.
What about Glitter
This one.
Oceans?
This one needs to be fixed. I felt it, and it's real bad.
But no, it's not.
No, look at it. It's so hard. It was like wet too. Feel it.
What is this? It's not even stretchy.
Exactly. Just gonna get some of that.
This is actually really stringy right now.
Yeah, that's what happened with strawberry milkshake, but if you need it, it's gonna be.
There's like this huge chunk in it. I added a ton of concoction to it, but not helping. That's like getting really stringy. I don't think it's actually getting any better.
You wasted a ton of shaving cream on me. I mean, not shaving cream. Concoction.
And shaving cream isn't concoction.
I want some movement.
Did you just say you want some luber? What's luber?
I don't know. I wanted some bananas. I'm really craving bananas right now.
Then go upstairs and
I
get yourself
sound
some
so evil. Why do I sound so evil?
bananas. I'm gonna add some more concoction. So let me just get some. Emma, what did you do?
I dropped it. It's so droopy. Can you get that off my leg?
Here's some activator. Don't question why my activator is in an orange juice container.
Mine's in a water bottle.
That's pretty normal.
Well, I got a bunch on my feet.
Most people put their activator on like
Okay, I got an idea.
in like squeezy bottles and stuff.
Yeah. Oh shoot, that was a lot. Oh
Emma,
shoot.
why are you such a mess?
I'm such a mess right now.
This is starting to get way better because I added a ton of concoction. Ugh.
I want some luber. I want some luber. I don't know, but luber reminds me of bananas. The word luber. I don't even think it's a word.
It's not. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Ugh. Just gonna clean this
I
up.
feel like I'm gonna have slime all over me when I get home.
Probably will. Okay, you know what? After I fix this slime, I'm just gonna pick up all that. Does this need more concoction?
We wasted a ton of concoction on that slime, and it still isn't activated.
Do you
I
mean
mean,
it still
that
isn't deactivated?
Yeah. Okay.
I wish I had hair gel. I heard that hair gel works.
Yeah, her hair gel melts slime. I feel disgusting now.
I saw that from Justamira.
Yeah. Shout out to her.
Yeah, shout out to Justamira. And in the comments down below, if you guys think we should start a slime shop,
What?
comment.
You don't even have any glue. What are you talking about?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, but you only have like one bottle.
No, I have 2.
2 limited edition bottles.
Yes.
She's gonna make it out of the limited edition one, so. Okay, this is fixed now. It's kind of got a jiggly texture now. I kind of want to finish my menu.
This got good, way better
Yeah, way better.
than before. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit more concoction to it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we are both
I
gonna
want
need it. We are both
Yeah,
gonna
half and half, half and half.
It's still really hard. I added some more concoction to it. It's still pretty bad. As you can see. I think this needs to rest in some shape gel water.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, wait, so put both of them together. And where's this container?
Right here.
Okay. Definitely inflated.
Yeah.
Careful, careful, careful.
I'm okay.
No, you're not.
I'm not disabled.
Because you're spilling it.
Ow. That hurt my finger. It got caught on the handle.
I'm just gonna put all of this in here. Whoa. And then I'm just gonna kind of like start kneading it so then it gets a bit better.